So in this class I am going to discuss about how you are going to convert decimal number system into hexadecimal number system. Okay, na? Decimal number system into hexadecimal number system. Okay, na? Previously I discussed about, okay, na, is decimal number system into binary number system and the decimal number system into octal number system. Now I'm going to convert decimal number system into hexadecimal number system. Okay, na? So in this class I'll discuss about decimal number system into an hexadecimal number system. Okay, right. The number I'm taking here, that is 22.64. Okay, na? 22.64 basis 10, and we are going to convert into the hexadecimal number system. Okay, na? Right. So we need to understand, in order to convert a decimal number system into hexadecimal number system, we have to divide the integer part divided by 16 and fractional part multiplied by 16. Okay, now, right, look at here. So in order to convert this decimal number system into hexadecimal number system, integer part must be divided by 2, and this fractional part must be multiplied by 16. Okay, now, this integer part must be divided by 16. For example, you are taking 43.2. For example, the decimal number system, we are going to convert into the binary. So 43 must be divided by 2, because we are going to convert into the binary now, and this 0.2 multiplied by 2. Okay, now, for example, 57.6 base to power of 10, you are going to convert into the octal number system, right? So decimal to octal. So that's why you should convert 57. Okay, na? 7 divided by 8, and this 0.6 multiplied by 8. So this last class we have seen this. Now we are going to convert, okay, now hexadecimal number system into, sorry, decimal number system into hexadecimal number system. Okay, okay, see, so take the number here. The number has given 22.64. What is that number? 22.64. So it is a decimal number system. We are going to convert into the octal number system. Okay, na? Octal. So 10 to, sorry, hexadecimal, no, hexadecimal number system. Okay, first of all, I know I'm taking 22, first integer part separately and fractional part separately. So integer part must be divided by 16. 16 on the 16 remainder 6, and this 1 is less than 16, hence we should stop here, and the numbers you should take from bottom to top. Okay, now this is bottom to top, is a 16. All right, so it is nothing but this here. And so next to 0.64, it must be multiplied by 16. Okay, now, so 0.64 into 16 will give us 10.24, and we should take, so ignore this, and 0.24 should consider. That's why I'm taking 0.24, and 0.24 16 equal to 3.84. Okay, now, so 3 should be ignored, and 0.84 multiplied by 8 into 16, 13.44, and again this 13 is ignored. 0.44 into 16, 7.04. Okay, now this is a fractional part should be fractional part must be multiplied by 16. Okay, now, right. Now what is the answer we need to take, right? While you are considering the result, we should take, so this 10, 3, 13, 7 from top to bottom. Okay, now, so 10 is represented as A in hexadecimal number system, 3 is as it is, and 13 is represented by D. Okay, na? 7 is as it is. So you know already A means 10. Okay, na? B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, F means 15. Okay, na? That's why I'm taking here. The values I should take from top to bottom. So what is the answer for 0.64? 16, 10 equal to A 3, D 7, top to bottom. Okay, na? So and what is the 22.6 answer? 22 answer, what you got? 22.64 based upon 10 equal to, what is the 22.22 we got? 16. So 16.64, how much you got? A3 D7, A3 D7, A3 D7. It is a, okay, na, hexadecimal number system. So we are converted in decimal number system into hexadecimal number system. Okay, na? So this is one way, and one more example I'll explain through one more example. Okay na? So simple integer part must be divided by the number which you are going to convert, and fractional part must be multiplied by the number which you are going to convert into the number system. Okay na? For example, I am taking here. Okay na? So 59.12 will take. Okay na? This is a decimal number system. How do you going to convert into the hexadecimal number system? First you should take 59 divided by first integer part divided by 16. Okay na? So 16 3 the 48, right? 16 6 the 64. So 16 3 the 48, remainder is 11. 16 3 the 48, remainder is 11. So 3 is less than 16, so stop here. Now 59 base to power of 10 we have converted into 3 11. So 11 can be represented as a means 10, no? B means 11. So should represent 3a. 3a base to the power of 16. Okay na? Right. Next we will take the fractional part. Okay na? So 0.12 into 16. 0.12 into 16. Okay. So right. So what is the 0.12 into 16? Because fractional part we should multiply it by 16. 0.12 into 16. Okay na? So what is the answer? 1.92. 1.92. In 1.92, one should be ignored. 0.92 into 16 we need to take, right? So 0.92 into 16. 0.92 into 16. What is the answer? 14.72. And you should ignore 14.72. Should ignore 14 and 0.72 into 16 again. Okay na? 0.72 into 16. What is the answer? 11.52. Okay na? Again, so 11.52. 11 should be ignored and 0.52 into 16. Okay, 0.52 into 16. What is the answer? 8.32. Okay na? So up to 4 conversions are sufficient, and we are going to see. Okay na? What are the reminders? Okay na? Here 1 is associate 1 14 11 8. 1 means, so we are taking 1 as it is, and 14 nothing but e, no? So b11, c12, d13, e14, ef15, right? So we got 14 means how much? E. So it is the e here. And so again 11 means how much? 11 means b. 11 means b, and 8 means 8 only. Okay na? So from you have to take consider from top to bottom. Now 0.12, how much you got? 0.12 equal to 0.12 16 equal to 1 e b8. Okay na? Finally I'm combining both. So 59.12, what is 59 value I got? 3a. Okay na? 3a point, and 0.1 how much you got? 1eb8. 1eb8. So this power of 16. Okay na? In this way we are going to convert, okay na, one number system into another number system. Okay, so what is the answer? 59.52, sorry, 59.12, right? 59.12. It is a decimal number system because base is 10. So convert into the hexadecimal, no? So 3a.1c b8. So in hexadecimal number system, so 10 can be represented as a, 11 can be represented as b. Like there, some alphabets are going to be added. Okay na? So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.